Alright, everybody. Alright, everybody. So, today we will be riding the KTM Duke 390, or not the Duke, the 390 Adventure. Now, this sucks because they have like the whole legal system over here, and since I'm not a specific age, this is pretty much the only bike I can ride, so that's sad, but it's all good. Pull up my pants. I was really hoping to ride the other bikes, but sadly that's not going to happen, which is okay. Wow, this thing is tall. Yeah, this thing's really tall. Easy clutch though. I love the instrument cluster, even in almost in the direct sunlight. It's actually pretty bloody easy to see actually. Very quiet. Now, of course, it's like a demo ride from KTM, so nothing like no wheelies or anything like that. Now, I heard a lot of things about this KTM, the 390 series. So let's see how it goes. I heard a lot of good things about them. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's power, that's for sure. For a 390, yeah. Whoa. 6 speed, yay. Go, go, go. Wow, it's bumpy. I can feel it on my feet, but not too much on my hands. But, oh, bumps are really nice on it too. Now, these are adjustable suspension. They're actually WP suspension too as well, which is really nice. I like that. Full throttle. Hi. Oh, I have a gas gauge on there too. Oh, that's sick. Yeah, I'm able to see the intercluster without a problem at all. Yeah, it feels nice actually. I'm able to literally just to I'm able to just sit up and ride oh, this is very comfortable for me actually. Oh wow, that's easy to turn, especially when it has knobbies on them already. Ooh, wow. The seat? A little hard for my taste, but it's not too bad. And the gear indicator too, I like that. Yeah, this thing got power, that's for sure. Oh, that turned nicely. Whee! Oh, this is actually really fun. I saw that crack in the middle. I was like, I'm not sure if my tires are going to cut after that or not. Going a little wide. Well, it's my first time riding this bike, so I'm trying to get used to it. Yeah, this bike feels like I'm able to ride this bike like literally all day and all night long. And the vibrations ain't too bad. I can't feel it I can feel it on my feet, so I'm pretty sure my feet will be going numb. I'm going 60 right now. I'm having like, this bike is having no struggles whatsoever. Ooh, a little high. I forgot how high it was. Just shift it there. Power! Yeah! Like, I keep forgetting on these smaller bikes, like taking turns is like literally nothing. Like, dude, like I'm cruising at this speed like with no problem whatsoever actually. Like the bike's not even struggling. It feels nice and smooth other than my feet vibrating, but that's about it. I'm glad my butt isn't though, because that'd be pretty gay. But it's actually really nice. I like this. You know, this is a really chill bike. Easy to shift too, especially at lower RPMs. Let's try this out. Oh man, this thing turns pretty well. A lot better than I thought. It's a beautiful day out too. I'm so glad they did this event at this day. It's not hot. Well, it is early in the morning, but it's not hot or anything like that. This is nice. This is really nice. $70. Oh god, now it's vibrating. Okay, 80 is like, okay. Or just almost 80. So, me personally, oh wow, I am like half a gas tank now. Yeah, so me personally, I would go like for like the 890 at the very least, because at least for my riding style, because I'm always on the freeways all the time. Because like over here, at least over here in Arizona, like going 70 miles an hour and under, no problem. Above that, you're kind of really pushing it a little too much. Like the whole, like I'm starting to feel the handlebars shaking, and my foot is vibrating like Jesus. Oh god, my legs are shaking for the vibration. I do like this adventure bike though, I do tell you that much. Go, go, go! Hi. Okay. Oh yeah, so this is when I get just about 10,000 RPM. I felt a little good kick out of it. Now I think this only has like 2.5 gallon tank, I think it has. I could be wrong though, it could be a lot bigger. Unless I'm thinking about the RC390 actually. I think these Avengers has a bigger gas tank. So yeah, so this is the type of bike for like more of a, if you have like a I don't know, like this is more of a commuter, like chill ass bike. But it's still fun. You can still take it to the freeway, but at least not here in Arizona where people just go over 80 miles an hour everywhere. But if you don't ride it on the freeways much at all, then yeah, this is a bike for anybody really. Either for city, tour, street riding, anything. Mirrors, oh yeah, mirrors are actually pass way past my shoulder actually, so that's actually really nice. I was really hoping they'll bring out the RC390. I'm gonna give that one a try because I know it's tuned quite a bit differently than the Adventure and Duke model. I'm not sure how much difference a Duke and Adventure model are, but I do know the RC390 is going to tune completely different. I was like really hoping they will have that over here, but sadly they don't, sadly. So overall, my thoughts about this so far, well, I like it. I think, yeah, I actually really like it. And well, like I said before, like it's a really great bike for all arounder. But me personally, I would get something bigger because I just ride, simply because I ride the freeways like 90% of my commute. I do have knobbies, I'd just go there. Oh yeah, this ship is really easy to ship too. Man, I love having this steering tap screen side going on. Oh, I pressed the button on accident. Oh, no. Go back. There we go. Man, they didn't tell us not to mess with the instrument cluster or anything like that for safety reasons. But it has rider modes on it? That's what I noticed. Oh, okay, for street or off-road. Okay, cool. I wonder if the newer RC390s will have something similar to that, like either for the street or track use. That'd be really cool to see. Oh man, this thing turns really well. I can imagine with street tires on it, like proper street tires. Dude, I forgot how fun little bikes are. Like shit, I keep riding them and I keep having so much fun. But then I was like contemplating with myself, like, should I get a small bike again? I don't know if I want to do that. But then it's like I keep forgetting how fun they are. Like, it's fun. A lot of people say it's like, oh, it's slow, whatever. They say, I don't care. It's fun. It'd be really cool if KTM did the 890 RC 890 or something like that. That'd be really cool. That'd be really cool and everything. I was like, oh yeah. So yeah, so about like I'll say yeah, about 5,500 RPMs. Just right above 5,500 RPMs. That's when the power kind of starts kicking in on these things. At least the Adventure model, yes, that is not the Duke or RC model, because those might be a bit different. So easy to turn. So easy to turn. It is so fun. And then I get back to my 600, I was like, oh my god, the power on this thing! Yeah. Oh, that was it, folks. Hope you liked this video. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more. I'll just do more demo rides in the future, hopefully more soon. See ya.